Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add cars to your favorites on the Trovit Cars application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should type in a name of a car or browse among the ads, and after finding it, tap on the relevant one. And if you would like to save it for later and add to your favorites, tap on the heart icon that you can find at the top of the screen. If you go back to the previous page and click on the favorites button down below, which is the last option in the right side corner, you are going to be directed to your favorites, and here are all the items added to this section. If you want to remove an item, tap on the heart icon, thereby deleting it from this list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.